This exercise is designed for grade 1 students. However, this can be used for grade 1 in the beginning if there are students who need some help with adding and subtracting or understanding adding and subtracting. So here, instead of giving a number sentence, I gave only the expression. So the difference between expression and number sentence is expression has no equal to sign and the solution, whereas number sentence is a complete sentence. So students use this addition and subtraction expressions, show it in number family, and make a strip diagram and find solution. So here 4 plus 1 is my expression, and this is for plus to add numbers. So I'll not put it here because I'm not subtracting. This is addition. So 4 goes here, 1 goes here. 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. My total goes there. Now in strip diagram, one part is 4 and the other part is 1. When I put these two parts together, I get 5. And my number sentence is 4 plus 1 is 5. In case of subtraction, 9 minus 5 is my expression. Now this is minus, and the first number always comes into this oval shape. So 9 goes on the top, and 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is what? That's what I need to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And out of 9, one part is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is one part. The remaining part is 4. And when I make my strip diagram, 9 is the total. One part is 5 and the other part is 4. It's joining action. Now the number sentence is 9 minus 5 equals 4. Students may need some support initially, but if they do it repeatedly for maybe 5 or 10 minutes almost every day or the other day, they'll become experts in a week. Then they can use the directions to work independently. And here is the teacher exemplar that sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.